Hello everyone. Today we will see descriptive statistics using data analysis toolpack in Excel. So let's start. For that, we have to go to data menu and we need this data analysis tool. Okay, but some of you may not see this in your Excel. So in that case, if you don't see data analysis tools, then you have to go to File, then Options. Here you have to go to add-ins, then manage. You have to select this Excel add-ins, then go. You will see this. Okay, so at the very beginning you can see analysis toolpack. So my data analysis toolpack is already enabled, that's why it's a tick mark here, but you will see a blank box here. So put a tick mark. Okay, then click OK. Then you will see data analysis toolpack. So here, if you click this, you will see this box where different kinds of analysis tools are available. Okay, so from here you can pick anything and do your calculation. So here I am selecting descriptive statistics. Okay, click OK. Then this box will appear. Here we have to give the input range. Here an input range is already given. So I to give a new input range, you have to click this and you have to give the input range. Okay, I'm selecting only this column, then enter. You can see columns and rows here. So my data is grouped by column, so column is selected. Then labels in first row. Yes, no, my data I have selected from this. Okay, so my data doesn't have labels in the first row. If I select, okay, I'm doing this again. I'm selecting this and I'm selecting this entire data range, including the label. Okay, then enter. Now the row heading is selected here. Then now I can uh, click on these labels in the first row. Okay, then output range, we can see the output in a new worksheet. Then the output will go in a new worksheet, or we can have the output in a new workbook, or we can get it in a range. Okay, so I'm selecting range and clicking this, and I'm selecting this point. Okay, we need some space here because the result will be quite bigger. Then I'm selecting this again. Now I have selected summary statistics. Okay, then click OK. You can see we can see a summary statistics here. Xiaomi's summary statistics. Xiaomi's, based on Xiaomi's these data, we can uh, we got mean of this, standard error, median. This is the mode. This is the standard deviation, sample variance, kurtosis, skewness, range, minimum and maximum values, sum and count. So this is a snapshot of this data. So this is how descriptive statistics works, and we can enable data analysis toolpack in Excel. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.